Hello everyone, today I have special recipe to share with you. This is homemade spring roll wrappers, and then we can stuff special stuffing inside. It lasts crispy for few days. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. That means a lot to me. Thank you. If you want to read recipe, you head to description box below. So I use 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Now I use 2/3 of the cups of water. The water is warm, not cold, not boiling, not too hot. When you stick your finger in and you can tolerate it, that's the temperature you are looking for. So I try to put the water in and mix so that no flour left untouched. Then I let it rest for 10-20 minutes. Now, this is the time we need to knead the dough to make it more stretching. I use my glove here, but you can use your hand. That's the best tool to make it kneading easy. But I use the glove so that I touch my camera, my device. I don't dirty it. The reason you need to knead it so that it's more stretching that we're looking for. After that you cover and let it rest for 3 minutes. Now you can see it's more stretchy now. So I use 2 tablespoons of water and mix it in so that I will have a spreadable mass. You can see I test it on my chopsticks. Now I use non-stick skillet to do this job, and you should too, because without non-stick it's very hard for you to get the piece off. So I try to pan the whole surface of the skillet, and when I see the surround the edge loosen, and then I can use my hand to pick that up. You can use a spatula to help you if you afraid of the heat, but it's not too hot at all, so you are fine to pick that up with your finger. Now I started the second one. This time I pan more carefully. That means I go on over without the holes. But remember, if you make the holes, that's no big deal. When you roll your spring rolls, it will be hidden. And that's it. Finish with your mass dough, and then you're done. Now let's make stuffing. I have a special stuffing here. I have ground pork that normally we do, but I add the pork threads into it as well. My purpose that when you bite into the spring rolls, you will have the substance, the mass, and then you taste the meat because of the pork threads. So I have garlic, ginger, white part of green onions, and small onion. And then I chop, mince them, and now I chopping the mushroom. I soak the mushroom in advance for them to be bigger and softer, and I remove the legs and clean again because the woody mushrooms, it might have dust at the leg of it, the base. Now I have my ingredients ready, and let's go cooking. In my skillet, I put 1 tablespoon of oil. I prefer to use chicken fat render or pork fat render. It tastes better with that, but you can use oil. So I stir fry garlic, ginger, white part of green onion until they are fragrant, and I added onion and now mushroom. I stir fry for 2-3 minutes, and then I season with salt, pepper, and soy sauce. The measurement is on the screen. Remember, when we make a spring roll, the spring roll will get cooked again, so you don't need to cook very much here, very long time. No, you don't. You just need 2-3 minutes, and when you see it a little dry out, and that's it. And you do the same thing with the 1 carrot, chop and stir fry. Now we go to the meat part. I have some pork fat here, and I render them now. I like the smell and the taste of this. And after I render a fat a little bit, I drop in my pork thread. This is pork loin, and I chop it thinly, matchsticks like, and just again 2-3 minutes, and I season with salt, with fish sauce, sugar, and pepper. And now I mix everything up. And I'm ready rolling. I use a tablespoon of flour with 1 tablespoon of water to make glue, and I want to glue the end of my roll, and that's it. All the rolls are made and ready for the fryer. I use small pot here. I don't want to use a lot of oil, so I just need to take time to do so. When it heat the oil, it needs to be a little hot, but not too hot, but not too low, so that the oil don't soak in your rolls. And 2-3 minutes for golden brown. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Bye bye.